In this video, we are going to discuss about Unit 3 Matter Around Us, and it is a continuation of Part 1 video. If you have not checked that, I'll leave the link in the description box so that you can check that. Separation. The process by which the components of mixture are isolated and removed from each other to get pure substance is called separation. Why do we need to separate mixture? To remove harmful impurities, example, stones from rice. To extract a component from other components, example, petrol from petroleum. To obtain a component in highly pure form, example, gold from gold mines. Separation techniques: filtering, sieving, winnowing, decantation, magnetic separation, sedimentation, filtration, hand picking, threshing, and churning. Filtering. Larger sized particles of tea leaves will be retained by the strainer while the clear liquid will pass through. This is called filtering. Filtration. Process of separating insoluble solid particles, that is residue, from a liquid filtrate by using a filter paper. Filtration. The method of separating insoluble component, that is sand, mud, etc. from a mixture using a filter paper is called filtration. The liquid which passes through the filter and comes down is called filtrate. The insoluble component left behind on the filter paper is called residue. Sieving. A sieve is similar to a strainer. Sieving is used when we have to separate solid particles of different sizes. Example, bran from flour, sand from gravel, etc. Churning. When very fine insoluble solids have to be separated from a liquid, as in butter from curd, churning is performed. Threshing. Farmers separate grains from their stalks by beating them hard. The grains are separated from their stalks. This is called threshing. Winnowing. Rice, wheat, and other food grains are covered with husk, which cannot be eaten by us. Husk is very light and gets easily blown away by a breeze or wind. The method used for removing husk from grain is called winnowing. Winnowing is done by dropping the mixture slowly from a height in the presence of wind. Lighter solids, that is, husk, will be carried by wind and will be collected in a separate heap, while heavier solids, that is, grains, will fall closer and form a separate heap. Hand picking. How do we separate a stone from rice? If the stones are visible different from the grain, they can be easily picked and separated by hand. This is called hand picking. Magnetic separation. Separating magnetic substances from non-magnetic substances is called magnetic separation. In a mixture containing iron, the magnetic property of iron can be used to separate it from non-magnetic substances by using a magnet. Substances that are attracted to a magnet are called magnetic substances. Separating solids using a magnet is called magnetic separation. Sedimentation. Settling down of suspended, insoluble, and heavy solid particles is called sedimentation. This process is used to separate solid liquid mixture. This is a diagrammatic representation of sedimentation. Decantation. The process of separating liquid above the sediment is called decantation. The water with the impurities is carefully poured down, leaving clean rice at the bottom. This is called decantation. This is a diagrammatic representation of decantation. If the mixture of sand and salt in water has to be separated, several methods like sedimentation, decantation, filtration, evaporation, and condensation are used. Adulteration. Making things impure by the addition of foreign or inferior substance is called adulteration. Food adulteration. Sometimes things that we buy in the market are mixed with harmful and unwanted substances. It is called adulteration. Any adulterated food, when consumed, will be harmful and can be a health hazard. An unadulterated substance will not indicate the true properties of the original substance. For example, used tea leaves are sometimes used as adulterants in tea. Turmeric powder is adulterated with a bright yellow chemical which is poisonous to us. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe.